It's here. Huh? Aloha, it's your boy Elton Rivera. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing videos. I know in the last video that I previously uploaded, I know that I told you guys that I had a surprise for you guys, and it was a JRL. So today we're gonna be opening up the box and see what it comes with. All right, guys. So we're gonna open the box here. This is what it arrived in. It looks very sturdy. It looks very professional. I'm just gonna take off the tape here. Oh, I'm just gonna use my knife. I'm really excited to see how it performs and what it comes with. Alright. Whoa! Wow! Dang! That's pretty cool. They sent in, are you recording? Yeah. They sent in a disposable mask. That's awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you, JRL. Damn, you guys are looking out. I love that. Wow. That says a lot. All right. So we got the disposable mask in there. Comes with, wow, nice. It comes with some, some nice posters. Oh, that's awesome. That's cool. Obviously it comes with the machine, but before that, what is this? Oh, wow. Hand sanitizer. Dang, dude. That's crazy cool. Honestly, like, they take care of the people. They take care of the people. I've been really excited to try out some JRLs. I know one of my friends had the first ones, was very hesitant of buying them, but you know, like, this shows a lot of customer service, man, and I love that because I'm all about that. I'm all about customer service, but wow, you guys are doing something else. Something else you guys are doing. It has some I don't know what these called. They're like Velcros. That's awesome. I like these as well. I'll definitely be using them. And last but not least, the JRL box. Let's see if there's nothing else. There's nothing else in there. All right. That's crazy cool that they take care of people like that, man. Especially in this pandemic, you know, it's awesome. So, straight off the bat, let's see if I can, okay. I don't want to mess up the box at all. So, it's a nice sturdy box, nice packaging for sure. Comes with this cover, low noise, cool blade technology. I'm really excited to try these out. I'm not gonna lie, at first I was hesitant because they look similar to the I forgot what they're called. Whoa, dang, okay. So it comes with the clipper. Right off the bat, they have a nice weight to it. The lever has some, it's a clicking lever, which is awesome, but it's not like very, it's very significant. It's not very like, yeah, they're nice. That's crazy. That's good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like these. I'm really excited to try them out. So let's see inside the box here. Right off the bat, packaging is awesome. All right, nice. I did make some research. Okay, cool, awesome. It comes with the, I believe this is the setting, so you can serve gap them, and then comes with oil and comes with your little screwdriver here, which is pretty cool. Comes with your guards. I did, like I was saying earlier, I did make some research, and I believe that the walk clipper guards fit on this. But awesome. Wow. Okay. I'll definitely give these a try for sure. I always like to try out new guards, see what works with what. But let's just test it out right now. And yeah, it works perfect. It works nice. I definitely don't want to turn them on right now. I want to make sure well, should I turn them on? All right, let's turn them on. Oh wow. And it has two speeds, which I don't really definitely, I don't use a low speed, I only use a high speed. But all in all, it's pretty quiet. It's nice. That's a nice blade, taper blade here. Wow, wow, the attention to detail is crazy. I'm really excited. I really want to try them out now. Yeah, so I'll give you guys my my input after I'm done using them. Definitely excited for sure. And JRL, you guys are doing something amazing, man, with that, with the, you know, with the sanitizer and with all this extra goodies. You know, that means a lot for sure. I really appreciate that. All right, guys. Finished cutting up my my client. These things were on point. I love how smooth they cut. I just found out they have like little indentations inside the little teeth here. You can't really see, but man, they cut so good. They cut very precise. I like the way they cut, guys. These are definitely gonna be becoming one of my starters for sure. Not necessary. I did like how they blend, but I feel like I can get a tighter cut with my seniors. I still like how these cut. Don't get me wrong. I'm still gonna have them in my setup, But maybe if I get them a little tighter, like I didn't set them at all. This is just basically what it is. It's just straight out the box. But straight out the box, I can say that I really like them a lot. Yeah, I just gotta test them out more and then give you guys a nicer review. But for my first cut, they were awesome, and I love them. They're awesome. JRL. Yeah, you can't go bad with these, man. These are dope. These are dope. Alright guys, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to this video. And if you guys like my videos, go check them out. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. God bless.